Everyone, today
Let's
I'm
go.
presentation about Christian favorite meal. The Portuguese girl fried fish. The bargain when he ships them more than 150 years ago. The British put them together to create fried fish and chip. Uh, Today, Christian has lot of fish and chip shop over 10,500. They make over 1.2 billion pound a year. However, the million pound industrial group from small beginning. Uh, 150 years ago on the street of the S and of London, a 13-year-old called Joseph Malin. Boy called Joseph Malin has the bright idea combining fried fish with chip. Uh, Joseph family didn't have much money, so to increase the uh, families income began frying chip um, in a, in a downstairs and by fried fish shop and Joseph put some fried fish and he shipped and was the street. So he shipped from a tray uh, which hang wrote his nick. Joseph lot of Joseph lots and chip shop eat fish and chip. So he decided open a fish and chip shop in the first of many fish and chip shop in Pristina. Uh, so fish and chip became a favorite with poor people. They uh, they they didn't host many and diverse menus and they were quick and tasty. And the famous challenge can the famous Victorian novelist wrote about fried fish were how in his book Oliver Twist the the dispute. However, there are some questions about how the this really uh, on in the north of England. A lot of people uh, don't believe John Malin's story. Uh, they say uh, they say uh, they say a man called man John Lee Coleman John Lee began selling selling fish and chips. Thank you everyone for listening presentation.